How to use Pro Gallery in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Pro Gallery in your Wix Studio website. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website. I'm going to choose this one. You can click on it. And then you will be in that website dashboard. This is my website dashboard. Now you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website dashboard. This is my website dashboard. So now you can add the Pro Gallery by add new element. And then you can just click add an element here. And then as you can see, there is gallery here. You can just drag and drop like this. And this is our gallery. So the first thing we have to do is we have to change the image. You can put your image by right click here and then click manage media, and then these are the default image. There are 8 images, so we're gonna change it one by one. I'm gonna change it by click it and click refresh image. So basically you can add media from your site files or your boards, and then also media from Wix and even Shutterstock and Unsplash. So let's say I want to add media from Wix. I'm gonna click anything here now. This, for example, I'm gonna add it one by one. I'm gonna skip it until it's done. Now I have uploaded all of my images, and now you can click down here, and this is our new gallery. So you can adjust it. You can adjust the size and position like this. You can make it bigger, just like that. It's bigger. You can adjust the position. And also you can open the inspector by right click and then select a layer and then choose Pro Gallery here and then open the inspector. Now you can modify everything here from the size. You can change the size from here. And it's changed. Also, if you want to modify the position type, maybe you want to make it sticky or thin, it's up to you. And also you can change the opacity and then others here. And also if you want to add the animation, you can uh, add mouse effect here. You can click add here and choose animation whatever you want. Like this, it's up to you. And the last thing, you can just click setting here. And then you can change the layout. Maybe you want to change it to this one, or maybe this one, or like this. It's up to you. You can explore more. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.